Okay, here we go. We're going to look today at how to name three collinear points. So to do that, we have to know what the word collinear means and how we name points. So to name a point, every point you'll see a dot on your picture, like for instance right here, point W, and it's named with a capital letter. So it's very easy to do. Whatever letter is next to that dot is the name of that point. So we've got quite a few points on this plane. And when we're talking about collinear, collinear mean that they have to be on the same line, okay? So in this case, there are only 3 points that are all on the same line. So if I have to name 3 collinear points, the line that I'm talking about here is this line. It's the only one that names 3 points that are on the same line. So if I were to list those 3 points, it'd be F, comma, B, comma, W. I put commas between them because I'm basically listing the 3 points. I don't want anyone to think I'm naming something else. So I put commas between them to emphasize those are 3 separate points. Okay, and they all lie on the same line, so they are indeed collinear.